What's up, you guys? Kamala Musne, and we're back with another Q&A video. Today, we're asking all types of questions. Nothing, and I mean nothing is off limits. So let's get it. Okay, guys, so we're here with... Right, Una. I have a couple of questions for you.
Okay.
How many colors are in the South African flag?
We count actually. Isn't it like 5, 6?
You gotta give me one.
Okay, wait. But I have to count. 7. Am I right? I don't know.
Okay, 7 it is, yes. Okay, what is the difference between a baby and a child?
Girl.
What is the difference?
A baby is like a small child, basically. And a child is. Even I'm a child. Yeah. I don't know. Girl.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Let's get into the juicy nitty gritty stuff.
Okay.
How long? How long was your last relationship, and why did it end?
It was about like almost 2 years. And it
She's a committer.
And it ended because I moved here and long distance wasn't working for us.
Okay. What is the ultimate red flag for you? Like you cannot even begin to ignore it.
Someone who does not take care of themselves, like I can see from a distance that I'll clap, you don't bath. Yeah, that is an immediate.
That is understandable.
Yes.
Nobody wants BO.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you, Anna. You've been such a good sport.
Okay.
Where can people follow you?
You can follow me at XMPOX on Instagram and XMPO on TikTok. And yes.
Alrighty. Thank you. All right, you guys. So we're here with...
Salanat Matalan.
Okay, Lihlala Nati. I have a couple of questions for you. First question, how many colors are in the South African flag?
Yo, ndingakwazi uzibhala like
Yeah.
okay, ngu-yellow, ngu-green, ngu-blue, ngu-black, ngu-white. Yeah, ngicabanga ukuba zizo.
How many digit counts?
Yo, andazi 5.
You might have missed.
Yeah, but
It's 6. There's 6 colors in our
yeah,
flag.
6, at least and almost. Yeah, no.
Okay. So what is the difference between a baby and a child?
Baby and the child.
Yeah.
I think into one.
It's the same thing.
Yeah, ngakanjalo.
So I'm a baby.
Mdala. Are you a child?
I'm asking you, am I a baby? Day one.
Are you a baby?
You don't.
Like we adult.
So what is the difference?
And there's a difference.
Okay. All right. So another question. How long was your last relationship and why did it end? Ungakhali.
But I think, yeah, I think 1 week.
It was 1 week.
Mm,
Okay. Why did it end?
I think kwaphela interest yabo phakathi kwami naye.
After 1 week.
Yeah, after 1 week.
Nahlangana phi?
Apha ekhampasini.
La ecampus.
Yeah.
Nathi niyajola.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, engathi ubuza too much.
Oh,
But
okay.
I think, yeah, 2 questions.
Okay.
Again.
Okay, just one more question. What is like the ultimate red flag for when? Into nje you can't ignore this thing. I-red flag iyakubhodarisha uma uyibona.
Kwintoni? Kwitshele?
Yeah.
Yona ngathi yintoni? Hayi, andinayo red flag.
Awunayo i-red flag? Into nje ongayifuni. Ayi, yabo le nto
Yo,
le.
mhlawumbi ndingatsho ndithi like andinayo like into endisho ngayo uba lena andiyifuni.
Okay.
Kodwa vele hayi.
Okay. Alrighty. So where can people follow you?
Yo, ndikhona kuWhatsApp qha, andikho kwezi ezinye.
Yini, uyafuna ukunika abantu inamba yakho?
Yeah, mind. Mind.
Gabel.
Yeah.
Okay, go on.
Okay.
Bazok DM.
064
Yeah.
762
Okay.
5523.
Are we pinned there?
064
Sure.
762
Sure.
5523.
All right.
Right.
Thank you.
Okay, sure.
Okay, guys. So we're here with
Ndetse.
and
Tamia.
all right, you guys. So I'm gonna ask you guys a couple of questions. First question. Okay, y'all can answer individually or together, whichever. How many colors are in the South African flag?
Seven.
6 or 7?
I'm gonna say 7. Are we counting what? Yeah. 6. Red, green, blue, white, black, yellow.
Yellow. 6.
6. 6.
Definitely,
Okay.
definitely 6. What is the difference between a baby and a child?
A baby and a child. What?
This
Say
is.
it. Say it.
I feel like this is it's like a tricky type question.
Yeah.
How so?
I mean, there's not much that they know, but babies. I mean, you still have to cater to both. Babies, they are not mobile, so to say, while kids, they're able to walk, they're able to talk. So
Okay, so that's
Baby or child? Child.
baby and child.
Not kids.
same difference. Same difference.
All right. But so now these are individual questions. How long was your last relationship and why did it end?
Oh my god.
Okay. It was a year, and well, work grew us apart. If that makes sense.
Like schoolwork?
My schoolwork and his work. Yeah.
Oh, okay. If it wasn't for that, would you guys still be
100%.
okay? Okay, that feels like a situation that might still happen.
Hopefully, maybe. Hopefully, maybe.
Listen, if he's watching, in case he's watching, send him the link. Okay. What? How about you?
It was 3 years.
We have some committers here, guys. Are
I'm
you
a
guys
lover
single
girl.
now?
I'm a lover girl. Yeah, I'm single now. So it was
Listen.
3 years. And why did it end? Um, we were different, and we had like different lifestyles, and we tried to actually work it together, but it didn't work. It didn't like connect. So we're like, you know what? I think we should stop. I think we should try something else. Yeah.
When did the lifestyle start? Because you guys were together for 3 years.
Like, my thing is, with me, I have like boundaries and certain things. The lifestyle, my lifestyle,
Okay.
and with him, he has his own lifestyle, like the things that he conforms to. So, in a way, because we loved each other, and we're like, let's work it together, and then we realized, no, it's not working. It's honestly not working. Yeah, there's
And-
certain things personally as a believer that fine, I'm in a relationship, but like certain things I wouldn't do. So it forced me to let go. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So one more question. What is like the ultimate red flag for you guys? Like the one thing you just cannot ignore, even if you wanted to.
Oh my god, there's so many. Oh my god.
The ultimate one, like the one thing that's just like no.
If he's not a devoted Christian, number one.
Amen.
Exactly.
Number one.
Exactly. Because what are you doing?
So
How are you living? How are you living?
okay, love that answer. You guys have been such good sports. Where can they follow you guys?
Instagram at Tamia Kaylee, TAMIAKELEIGH.
IG Ndethe_V3 and on YouTube Ndethelelo Vilakazi. Go subscribe.
Go subscribe, you guys. Thank you, you guys. That was nice. All right, you guys, we are here with
Lwazi.
Bunny
Lwazi.
and
Stay.
all right, you guys. Ngizonibuza imibuzo ke neza yini. embalwa nje. So, first question. How many colors are in the South African flag?
Awuqale ngani?
Yini kuze qale ngami?
Ay, Boba Fett. Alfina,
7 angazi.
9, 12, 7.
Sengawasho nje kuphela uzimanga.
Ungakwazi ukubala uma ukuthi
Yeah,
uyazi
khona
iflag.
blue khona u-yellow, black u-yellow.
So uphinde yabili uyena.
Sawuphinda beni? Ukhona u-blue wangena. Yeah, blue no-white. White ukhona ngene. Ukhona no-white.
Awubuza mina manje.
Amadlala.
Ngathi mina ngathi awu-6.
Until impela awu-6. Alright, next question. Ningali. Okay, next question. The more ilalelani kahle ke le. The more of this there is, the less you see. What is this thing? Zoqala ngana manje.
Awuqalela phansi.
Okay. The more of this there is, the less you see.
Hayi angazi sonke.
Lento mayiningi ubona less.
Lento mayiningi ubona less.
Ubumnyama bafethu ubumnyama. Okay, ngizonibuza ake siphume kula matric question. How long was your longest relationship? No, sorry. How long was your last relationship and why did it end?
Long. 6 years.
Yo. Yaphelelani?
Uyaphuza.
Nayiyekelani?
Uyaphuza. Angizwani ukuphuza.
Waqala nini ukuphuza? Waqala senjole isikhathi singakanani?
Wathi uzoyeka nje mfethu. Ngamthola ephuza vele.
Ish.
Wathi uzoyeka. Wangayeka.
Waliva umlindile u6 years ntoda. Inkinga yakho ukuphuza nje kuphela. Usho ukuthi if benga
Uphuza xa izokuphuza nje awukho kunye.
wayenzani mase ephuzini?
Ngabona i-status kahle kahle. I-video yabo. Yaba kuyi-video. Ngabona i-video. Ngambloga, ngamdelete yonke into.
Same time.
Ngizame.
Hayi wena ungamthandi lo muntu.
Ngimthanda 6 years, ngamthanda umuntu 6 years.
Hey, afethu yekani ukuphuza nilahla imendo.
Mina ngoba u2 years.
Yaphelelani? Why did it end?
Usisi waye right saqala nje.
Yeah.
Yeah, waye right. Yonke into ehamba kahle. Ngokuhamba kwesikhathi wayeseqala eseba nabangani babafana. So
Omel best.
Yeah, so mina ke angimthatha serious. Umale best because ngiyamazi ukuthi yini asuke etargetile ntombazaneni. So
Aniyazazi nje ukuthi ukhona.
yeah ngikhona but ake kumele umale best ebe khona ngibe ngikhona esithobeni sokuthi ngithandana naye lo muntu lo. Because ngiyamazi umale best usuke etargete ini sengeza kobungani and nayo intombazane usuke iyazi futhi ukuthi umale best ufunani kahle kahle ukuthi ngiyi-admit lo. So izinto ke zaphela kanjalo. I decided ukuthi ngiyi-distance.
Sholo ukuthi mina nawe ngeke sibe ngabangani nje bethu kungenakele ndawo sivele sithi nje ake
Ngani kodwa ngumfana mina.
kusho ukuthini lokho?
Ngumfana futhi. Akuyonto ekumele ngiyichaze.
Kusho ukuthi anithembeki nina bafana. Kusho ukuthi umuntu akumele anithembe.
Ngeke ngisho kanjalo.
Uthini pho?
Hayi, sengishilo ngifuna ukuthi.
Okay. One more question. What is the ultimate red flag? Into nje red flag ongakhona ukuyiziba nje mawuyibona entombeni. Noma athi ngiqale ngathi.
I-body count.
Uyababuza?
No, hayi ukuthi ngiyabuza but i-body count nje lokho engiyakusho.
Tin maximum like yabona mawuzwa le number vele ukuthi iquleke.
Asingafiki lapho.
Cha, angisho yakho but
Ngisho yami nami, ngisho yakho umuntu wesifazane. Ngifuna kuba ngathi manje ngiyamajaja yabo.
yakho uyayibala nini?
Eyami phela ibalulekile.
Mina mfethu into engayisho nje. Into ey-red flag ngimina. Intombazane loud. cause ngiphansi mina yabo. Angifuni umuntu ophezulu nami.
Opposites attract nje.
Unomsindo nje hayi ngeke.
Uzokukhuphula nje nawe emoyeni.
Zwelani uyahleka hayi ngeke. Nginika amanye ama-side mina leyodwa.
Manje ufuna ahleke kanjani mfethu?
Awufesi njengelady list.
Athi hihi.
Yeah.
Njalo uma umkitasa athi nje hihi engahleki kakhulu.
Yeah, mfethu. Ungazuhleki kakhulu. Balento ngehleka kakhulu ayingeke shendami. Lo uswazi ukuyizwa ngisho noma ulapha. Hayi ithe no kahle.
Azawanzima bafethu ngesigade nendlela ehleka ngayo manje. Kulungile bafethu ngiyabonga abantu benganifollowisha kephi.
Mina nginayo account.
Ungabanika nenamba mawusinga.
Mangisengeke okay. Ningiqomeke njalo 060 274 8036.
Awuyiphindi.
060 274 8036. Plus ngisengile futhi yazi.
Ningabi loud ke kodwa maniza banizoza kulobhuta size ngabe bengakufollowisha kephi.
Hayi nami account anginayo ngalesi number.
Keep.
Inamba ithi 084
Sure.
0490 648.
Okugcina.
084 0490 648.
Alright. Amagama enokugcina bafethu.
Usicelo
Lwazi.
Alright. Ngiyabonga. Alright, you guys, thank you for watching Kamala Musne, and today was a really good one, especially if you're single. A lot of numbers are flying around today. You can find yourself catching a relationship. So thank you for watching, guys. Do all the good things, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification button. Lukhululies.
They said I got drip, I'm like a fish, a barracuda. Flexing with that wrist, got that grease. We young tall.